Tesla EV retail sales and exports increased in China. 2023 was a relatively good year for the Tesla Giga Shanghai factory, as the world's largest electric car factory increased its output by a third year-over-year. According to the additional data from China, both retail sales and exports increased quite noticeably last year. Get fully charged. Tesla Giga Shanghai EV factory. The Tesla Giga Shanghai factory is the world's largest all-electric car manufacturing plant, which in 2023 produced close to 950,000 Model 3 and Model Y cars. That's more than half of Tesla's total global volume. According to the China Passenger Car Association's CPCA data, out of 94,139 Tesla Model 3 Model Y wholesale vehicle shipments last month, the vast majority fall on local sales, 75,805, up 81% year-over-year, while exports amounted to 18,334 units, up 32% year-over-year. CPCA reports wholesale shipments, not registrations, customer deliveries. It's worth noting that the retail sales were at a near-record level, just slightly behind March 2023, over 76,000. As well as behind June and September 2022, when more than 77,000 units were sold locally in China. Tesla Model 3 Model Y wholesale shipments last month YoY change. Retail sales in China, 75,805, up 81%. Export, 18,334, up 32%. Total wholesale shipments, 94,139, up 69%. Tesla Model 3 Model Y wholesale shipments December 2023. In 2023, the total wholesale sales almost reached 950,000 units, which is 33% more than a year ago and the best year ever. The most positive thing is that both retail sales in China and export increased in 2023. Tesla Model 3 Model Y wholesale shipments year-to-date YoY change. Retail sales in China, 603,664, up 37%. Export, 344,078, up 27%. Total wholesale shipments, 947,742, up 33%. In terms of models, in December, the total wholesale shipments were as follows. Model 3, 31,981, up 60%, and 302,362 YTD. Model Y, 62,158, up 74%, and 645,380 YTD. For the Model 3, it's the highest monthly result in a long time, which means that the switch to the Highland version is in full swing right now. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.